Okay, this is the listening activity of page 85 of Fun for Starters book. The instructions are: Mark's morning. Listen and write the numbers and words Mark's is in his bedroom. Today's morning. It is the morning and Mark is in his bedroom. He opens his eyes and looks at the clock, and he jumps out of bed. He goes to the bathroom. He washes his feet and he washes his face, and he washes his hands. He finds his school clothes and he puts on his shirt. He puts on his trousers and he puts on his shoes. Mark goes to the living room. He plays with his new robot. He plays with his baby brother and he plays with his cat. Mark's cat's name is Socks. He goes to the kitchen and he has his breakfast. He drinks some orange juice. He eats some bread. Marx drinks some milk too. He goes to the hall and finds his school bag. He puts an apple in his school bag. He finds his game and puts that in his bag. Mark puts his pencils in his bag too. Mark says goodbye to his mom and dad. He opens the door, runs to the bus, sits next to his friend Ben, and goes to school.